Hey friends, what's up? Welcome to today's video. So today is like a tutorial, get ready with me, and I'm using some products I've never used before. So I hope you do find this video helpful or somewhat helpful. But anyways, if you guys want to see how I created this look, then please continue watching. So today we're going to be using the Colourpop Rendezvous palette. And I've been dying to use this palette. Look how pretty this is. I'm sure you guys have seen it quite a bit. I don't know, I'm late to the party about everything, but we're going to go back into the shade Want You Back, which is that shade right there. And we're going to start blending that into the crease here. Alright, and I felt the need to use the shade Let's Go. I really like the fact that they put a nice matte black in this palette. I'm just adding it on this outer corner and blending it in. Then I'm going to take a flat eyeshadow brush and I'm going to go into the shade Release. But first I'm going to spritz my brush just so it goes on really intense, really pigmented. And I'm going to be actually topping it. So I'm going to intensify it some more with this Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Glass. And I did a haul over the weekend, but it's all going to be incorporated in this video. So I didn't feel the need to kind of like do a haul video because I don't feel like it was enough. So it looks like this, and it's called Life's a Beach. So I'll be topping it over top of this Colourpop shadow. I am loving this teal blue. Now I'm going to type it. I'm going to top it with Life's a Beach. Okay, so I did get new lashes as well. I got these Ardell 812 lashes. They were buy two get a pair free at Ulta, and then I got these iLord lashes. So I'm actually going to put on these 812s. I'm going to go off camera and pop these on real quick, and then we're going to come back and move on with the rest of the face. Alright you guys, so now that I popped on those lashes, I also used this Paleo Line Out Loud liner. It's an intense shimmer liner, and it's in sapphire, and I just line the top of my lashes, and I also tight lined with my Urban Decay black liner in Perversion underneath, just to make sure everything blended together and it was darkened up. So I don't have a new primer to test out for you guys right now, so I'm just going to pop on my Smashbox Photo Finish Primerizer because I need a really hydrating primer today, and this one is my favorite. I'm finally going to be trying out the Huda Beauty Faux Filter Foundation. I got it in the shade Mocha 500. I'm going to be honest, the shade selection is not great. It was a little weird, but I was able to match my mom, who also picked this up, and it looked really good on her. So I am going to be using the Morphe M444 foundation brush because I did notice that this foundation is thicker, like my Kat Von D Lock It Tattoo foundation. And you guys know I like to use a nice dense foundation brush for that so that I can really blend it into the skin. I'll be blending all day if I use a beauty blender for a foundation this thick. So I'm going to start off with 4 pumps. Obviously, it is very full coverage. It is also very scented, so if you are scent sensitive, this is not going to be for you. In my opinion, it kind of smells like old lady perfume. I don't know. Sometimes scents bother me, sometimes they don't. This is not going to be a foundation that I'm going to wear every day because it is like super, super full coverage and because it is extremely scented. Okay, now that the shade is like on my face and settling into my skin, it really doesn't look bad. So I think this is a really good shade match. It definitely is full coverage. We'll see how it wears throughout the day. So I'm going to be trying out the new Fenty Pro Filter Concealer. Rihanna came out with these new concealers that go with the foundations she brought out. And I got mine in the shade 390. So we're just going to take that under the eye here and down the bridge of the nose, where I like to highlight. And I got this shade because in the foundation, I'm actually 420, so I think it'll look really nice with that foundation. It's blending out really nicely. So I feel like that blended out really good, and now I'm going to use the new Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Setting Powder. I got the shade Nutmeg, and hopefully it doesn't take away too much of the brightness because this is like a deeper shade, but I just felt like the banana shade and like some of the lighter shades, they looked ashy when I swatched them on my hand, and this looks really close to my Maybelline setting powder. Oh yeah, I like this. Honestly, I usually go with a more yellow brightening underneath, but this is kind of more like a pinky brightening underneath, but so is my Maybelline powder, so I'm not really mad at it. And I do have a lot of liquid lipsticks and lipsticks in general that I haven't used yet, so I'm going to be using this L'Oreal Color Rich lipstick in the shade Cutting Edge Cork. I'm going to line my lips with my Ofra Cosmetics liner in Chestnut. I really like that lip combo. And I meant to use this before I even got started. This is Skin & Co. Roma Truffle Therapy Aqua Illuminating Skin Refresh Mist Radiant Dew. That is a mouthful, but it just looks like that. I got it in my BoxyCharm because I guess they realized that they had sent a product that they've already sent in the past through BoxyCharm, but it says you can like refreshen up your makeup with this, you can prep and set with this, so I'm just going to shake this up really good because it says shake really well before using it, and I'm going to set my face with it and we'll see how it turns out. Wow, that has like a strong peppermint kind of scent to it. Whew. Alright you guys, so this is the completed look. I really like how everything turned out. I like how my skin looks. Just hopefully I don't get too dry throughout the day because, again, this is a very matte, full coverage foundation. And, you know, taking a look under the eyes, I am bright under the eyes, but I don't know if I'm as bright as I normally am or as I like to be. So I might have to go back to Sephora and swatch these powders again and see if I can't get a different shade. My mom has nutmeg too, and this is definitely too dark for her skin tone. She's going to be swapping hers out. So I will definitely give you guys more of an update, more of a review, because I'm going to be doing the Fenty concealer, foundation, powder, contour, and if I can get my hands on the primer, I'll be doing that too. So I'll just be kind of using a lot of Fenty products, see how those all pair up together, because right now I have a mixture of things on my face. But anyways, if you guys did like this video and you guys enjoy videos like this, then please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit your bell notification so you're not missing out on any videos with me here on my channel. And as always, you guys, don't forget to put a smile on your face because it is truly the best makeup you can wear. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.